Okay, boys and girls, my range mates down the way have a Smith & Wesson 500. He believes he has a 380 grain, so he gave me an offer to give it a try. You know, ain't no way in hell I'm passing on that. I love recoil, and so the gentleman's going to hold it for me while I take a shot at the target, and you get to see a 500. Hooray! There you go, sir. Thank you. Nope.
That'll do it.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Well,
And that's recoil, boys and girls. And let me get these gentlemen's name. You guys are?
John Paul.
And?
Jay.
Hey, I'm Henry.
Henry, nice
folks,
to
good to
meet
meet you. Thank you. All right, that was fun, huh? Oh my God, I love recoil. I've shot the 500 many times over at Smith in my past life and in past Smith events, and just I got a lot of trigger time behind that. My favorite, though, of the big frame guns is the 460 XVR. Beast! And that's why I like my 4570, which, thank God, John Oregon told me about that gun. When you get that kind of shove, you know something's happening. All right, so let me get back to what I was doing.